Welcome back! Today, we are going to learn about division. Are you ready? First, let's find out what division means. Division means sharing a number into equal group. The division symbol looks like this. Here are the easy steps in division. Step 1. Let's look at an example. Imagine that we have 8 candies. We want to share these 8 candies equally between 2 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 2. Now let's count how many candies each child has. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the girl. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the boy. Each child has 4 candies. Step 3. Say the division sentence. 8 divided into 2 equal groups gives 4 in each group. So we write it like this. Step 4. Explain the parts. 8 divided by 2 is equals 4. 8 is the total number. And it is also called dividend, the number being divided. Next, 2 is the number of groups. It's also called divisor, the number you are dividing by. Last is 4, is the number in each group. It is also called quotient, the answer to the division problem. Step 5. Connect division to multiplication. What number multiplied by 2 equals 8? We're looking for the missing number. We know that if we multiply that number by 2, the answer is 8. Let's count by 2s until we reach 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. We counted 4 2s to make 8, so the missing number is 4. We can also use repeated addition. Here's the example 2. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. 4 plus 2 is equals 6. 6 plus 2 is equals 8. We got the 8. Now let's count again how many 2s we used to get 8. Since there are 4 groups of 2, we write 4 times 2 equals 8. So in division, 8 divided 2 is equals 4. Remember, division means count the total. Make equal groups. Count how many are in each group and write the division sentence. And now, to challenge you, let's practice. Share 6 pencils equally between 2 children. So in division sentence, we write it 6 divided 2 is equals. Count the pencils and share them equally. Each box got 3 pencils. So the answer of 6 divided 2 is equals 3. Put 8 flowers into 4 equal groups. In division sentence, we write it 8 divided 4 is equals. Now count the flowers and share them equally. Each box got 2 flowers. So the answer of 8 divided 4 is equals 2. Share 9 toy cars equally among 3 children. In division sentence, we write it 9 divided 3 is equals. Let's count the toy cars and share them equally. Each box got 3 toy cars. So the answer of 9 divided 3 is equals 3. Put Put 10 balls into 2 equal groups. In division sentence, we write it 10 divide 2 is equals. Let's count the balls and share them equally. Each box got 5 balls. So the answer of 10 divide 2 is equals 5. Share 4 cakes equally between 2 children. In division sentence, we write 4 divide 2 is equals. Count the cakes and share them equally. Each box got 2 cakes. So the answer of 4 divide 2 is equals 2. And that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching.